Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Income Daily YouTube channel. Today in this short video, I want to show you how you can make withdrawal from your Cryptex wallet, okay? How to withdraw Bitcoin from your Cryptex wallet to your external wallet, maybe to your Binance, to your Bybit, to your Trust Wallet Bitcoin address. Now, just to let you know, in Cryptex, you don't need to even withdraw externally unless you are doing huge sum. You can really do what we call internal transfers, meaning you can transfer funds from your Cryptex account to other Cryptex members starting with as low as even $10. You can transfer to their other Cryptex users using just their email address, their Cryptex email or their Cryptex account number. But if you want to also withdraw, just like I would do, I did a withdrawal and just to test the system, and I was really paid. If you check my YouTube channel, you will see the recent video where I did the withdrawal and I was paid. I even traced the Bitcoin address that paid me from Cryptex, and I saw they have paid out what expired contracts to other Cryptex holders, to other Cryptex users. So just to let you know, in Cryptex, you can really be making money while waiting for your contracts to actually expire. Of course. So that's what some of us are doing. We are making extra income while waiting for our Cryptex contracts to expire. If you come, you can see that as of today, I've made a total of what $1,810. This is extra rewards, and indeed, you don't need to refer anybody to Cryptex. All right, you can just buy your contracts and go and be sleeping or doing other stuffs. And at the end of your contracts, you actually come and you can receive your rewards. It's that simple. So in this video, I want to show you the steps you can take through to actually do external withdrawal. So having said so, let's dive in. Before that, you want to go and get your Bitcoin address, okay? For example, SafePal, all right? I actually use SafePal. I like to withdraw to Decentralized app or wallet. So I'll just come here, the SafePal. You see, this is the withdrawal I received from Cryptex yesterday. So I'll just tap on my Bitcoin and I'll click on receive. And so you just click on copy to copy this address, all right? Just copy it. Then you go over to your Cryptex. You can withdraw to Binance, any exchange at all. But when it comes to withdrawal of contracts that have expired, we expect to use a DEX wallet. So once you are in here, what you want to do is to really go over there to the three lines menu here. Once you are there, you come to my wallet. All right. You tap on my wallet. So you want to then come here to withdraw. Withdraw. Come to withdraw. When you click on any button, please, you have to be patient, wait a bit. Now, the minimum withdrawal from Cryptex to external wallet is $100, okay? It's 100, all right? That's what you see here where they say enter amount is already what? $100 by default. I just want to show you the steps. I'm not going to make withdrawal because I've already withdrawn. So like I said, internal transfer is as low as $10. You can send to other members and you collect USDT. We have been doing that. In fact, over $1,400 have done that through internal transfers. So you want to withdraw. So once you come in here, if you want to withdraw maybe $100, $250, $500, or $120, if you have an amount that is not indicated here, if you have an amount you want to withdraw that is not written here, you can really come in here and just type that amount, maybe 120, 150, 170, 165. Just come here and erase this 100 and type in here. But assuming here I want to withdraw the minimum amount, which is 100. What I want to do here, you just come here and just choose this 100. Just click on it to highlight it. All right. Once you do that, please don't come down here again and write it there. No, if you do that, your withdrawal cannot work. Once you do that, don't write this, just leave it once you select it here. But if you want to write it here too, then do not select it from this, okay? So once you do that, the next thing you want to come here and paste your Bitcoin address where they say enter with beneficiaries information to withdraw to. You paste the Bitcoin address here, long press, and you paste. The same thing, you come here and paste the same Bitcoin address. You say repeat Bitcoin wallet address, you paste. Then once you come here, you will see here, normally there's a conversion fee. You see here, the conversion fee, new, is 4% to 10%, okay? Sometimes it can be more than that. In this case, the conversion fee will cost me $17. So $17 will be taken out of my 100. It's a bit high, but what happens is that if you are withdrawing a huge amount of money here, the withdrawal fee just in cents, very small. Even, yes, it's few dollars, okay? But since you want to test the system, yes, it's worth it. I did it and I got what I wanted. They paid me. I got the Bitcoin wallet address that paid me. So I use it to do my videos and proofs. So you can then come here and click on proceed to confirm transfer. You click on proceed to confirm transfer, okay? Always wait for the page to load. Be patient, all right? So once you reach here, you then see here, we need to do the final confirm. You read everything through, the withdrawal amount, the conversion fee, the amount that is being taken. You see that it's a processing time is 12 to 48 hours. If you're okay with that, you see the final amount you will receive. If you're okay, you just click on final confirm. Final confirm. This is the final. Once you do that, that is all. The next thing you want to do is you don't have to go to your Cryptex email and really confirm. Before we go there, let me show you the withdrawal I made. Maybe you may be doubting. If I come to withdraw and I come to withdraw overview, you can see it here. I did the withdrawal here I made the withdrawal request on 10th of September 2025. Okay. So the next thing you want to do here, after you've done the final confirm, you have to check your email. Okay. An email will come from Cryptex, right? And it will take about I think it will take within 24 hours. Okay. Well, yes, from my experience, it came within 24 hours. Meanwhile, it could even take maybe 48 hours to receive the email. So the next thing is the next day, from the next day going, you have to be checking your email. You have to check your email. All right. So you will then receive this email. When it comes, this is how it will look like. You see it here, the email will be one. Look at it here. It's Cryptex support request, withdraw. Then with your Cryptex what? Account, a wallet ID. And you see your email here. I've covered this for security reasons. This is your email. Your email will be here. You see that mine came. It was on the 11th. I made the withdrawal request on 10th of September. The next day, that's 11th of September, the email came. So this is how the form is going to be. It's coming to come from. Please take note of this. Very, very important. This is the Cryptex withdrawal request email confirmation. It comes with request at cryptex.support. Request at cryptex.support. Then you have you have requested a withdrawal from your Cryptex wallet, blah, 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 blah. Then just say what? Send either yes or no. And this is it. Another thing you should take note of here is that if the transaction is not confirmed by you within 24 hours, the payout will be cancelled and credited back to your wallet. Okay, very, very important. So a lot of people, they don't actually have idea. They don't know when they do this, the request for withdrawal, they don't check their emails. Then they say, hey, Cryptex has not paid me. Cryptex has not paid me, which is bullshit, guys. Ignorance is a disease. All right. Excuse me, my language. So this is the email. This is a proof I received. You also be receiving a similar email like this. Now, let me go back and show you something. It's likely the email will come, it will not be in your inbox. So you have to check your inbox. Once you open your email address, that email, Cryptex email, all other messages you see here are those that comes directly into your inbox. Cryptex email may not come to your inbox. It may land in your spam folder or promotion folder. So you have to open that Cryptex email. You have to open the menu and you want to check all parts, all right? Okay. So once you request a withdrawal, you have to be on the lookout. You have to check your spam or your promotions folders. You have to always make sure you check your promotions folders. Check your inbox, check your promotions folders, no email from Cryptex. Then you go and check your spam folders, okay? Check your spam folder as well. Check your spam folder as well. This is it here. Spam. Very, very important. Now, my email landed in my spam right away. Imagine I was looking only at my inbox. I will never see this email. And I'll say, Cryptex has not sent me an email. Meanwhile, they did. So, you see, it landed in my inbox, in my spam. Then I move it to my inbox. So, how do you do? All these emails you are seeing here, they are all on my spam. So, for example, if Cryptex email landed on your spam folder, something like this, you have to just click on the email to open it. You click on it. You see where here is saying report not spam. Just click there. Once you click there, the email will move to your inbox. Then if you go back to your inbox, then your primary, you can then see the email there. It was the same thing I did, okay? And this is it here. I moved it to my inbox. Now, going forward, any email that comes from Cryptex will always come to my inbox. It's that simple. So, guys, once you approve it, you confirm by, you just reply yes when you receive the email. All you just need to do is just click, just confirm, just reply yes, just write yes and send as a reply. I won't do that to show you. I don't want to show my email details. It's that simple. Just send, reply, yes, reply. Okay, so this was it. So this is the reply. Can you see it here? This is the reply. I just replied yes. I just replied yes on 11th. Okay, that is it. Then on 12th, the Bitcoin was paid. Let's go to my SafePal and I'll show you. So on 12th, it was paid. So this is my SafePal wallet. This is my Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin that came. If I click on it, the Bitcoin, and you see here, receive. You see that it's about 16 hours ago. So if I click on the receive, this is the page. This is the Bitcoin I've received. Now, this is the Cryptex, one of the addresses, that Bitcoin addresses that they used to pay me. You say, it said from, then to. This one is my SafePal Bitcoin address. And this is the Bitcoin address of Cryptex. Okay, it's that simple. You can copy this and you go to Blockchain Explorer and you see everything that's happened on this Cryptex wallet. Or the transaction ID, look at it here, or the transaction hash. If you click on it, or if you click here to copy it, you go to the Block Explorer. But let's just click on it directly. This withdrawal or the transaction ID. If you click on this transaction ID, it's going to lead you over to the blockchain. I didn't really want to make this video long, guys. Okay, so this is the Explorer. It has opened it and this transactions. So you can see this, that's, you see where it says from. See that this same address paid. Okay, it paid some other wallet. Yeah, you see it paid what? $83 worth of Bitcoin to this address. You also paid what? $465,960 worth of Bitcoin. That's for Bitcoin to this address. This you can clearly show that this is an expired contract, and this is the upline that received this. All right. So let's dig deep. Where it says from, let's tap on it again. From, this is the Bitcoin address of Cryptex. So you want to dig deep into it and see. So you can see this is the Bitcoin address, the one that paid me. You see that not only me, it has also paid what? It also paid this wallet. You see, 12th. On 12th of September, it paid 29 Bitcoin. Sorry, it paid 29 Bitcoin to this, okay? The green arrow payment came in. It paid to this Cryptex wallet, 29 Bitcoin. That's over 3.3 million. So the person went ahead and cashed it out, okay? The person withdrew it. And not only that, also look at this. A whole lot, a whole lot. Then it also paid this. It also paid this 4.023 Bitcoin, over $466,000. It also paid that one to this address. And again, the person also went ahead and withdrew it. You can see it here. They cash it out. These are all my short contracts. That's not all. This is another one here. It paid 4.039 Bitcoin to this Cryptex wallet holder. That's over $467,000. And the person also went ahead and withdrew it, cash it out, you can see. So that is it, guys. I'm done. I hope this cleared all your doubts. Cryptex is real. Check the description of this video for all the details. If you want to contact me, my email, my WhatsApp numbers are there. Thank you.